Hello, everyone. So today we are looking at finding the percentage of the total this person has budgeted for certain categories. In this instance here, we're looking at three categories. We're looking at insurance, I'll number that 1. We're looking at taxes, I'll number that 2. And we're also looking at savings, and I'll number that 3. So now I am going to locate these pieces on this pie chart. Starting off with insurance. Insurance is right here. And you notice this person spent, I was about to say invested, spent $3,120 on insurance. And that is part of his overall budget of $26,000 for the year. So we're going to calculate, first and foremost, what part of the budget is set aside for the insurance. So we take the $3,120 out of the total budgeted for the year, which is the $2,600. Now we grab our calculators, and on the calculator, you would go ahead and type in the 3,120. You divide it by the overall budget of $26,000 right there. Ooh, I forgot to add another zero. So let me add this extra zero right here. There we go. And so this comes out to be a decimal, which we were expecting of 0.12. Now this 0.12, you need to convert it to a percent. So to calculate the percent, we take the 0.12. Either we move the decimal 2 places to the right, like so, 1, 2, and then add the percent symbol if you have to. But in this case, the percent symbol is already there, so you don't have to add it, okay? Now, another way to do this is to actually go ahead and just multiply the 0.12 by 100, which I think is very easy because you're already on the calculator. So you multiply it by the 100, and this turns out to be 12%. So obviously, guys, 12% is being spent on insurance, okay? So that's the insurance portion. And just like you do it with the insurance, you're going to do likewise for the taxes. So we go into the taxes section, and we find what part of this pie chart is being dedicated to taxes. Let me go ahead and grab a different color here so I can highlight it on the pie chart. So right here, guys, I am highlighting the taxes, and the taxes, you have $4,160 allocated towards taxes. So we're going to take that out of the overall budget of $26,000 for the year. And just like with the insurance, you go on the calculator, guys, and then you do your division. You take the $4,160 and you divide it by the, let's see here, hold up a second, I gotta redo this, okay? $4,160 and divided by the total budget of $26,000 for the year. So you can go ahead and calculate the decimal. It's gonna give you a decimal. You're going to have to go ahead and convert that decimal to a percent. So the decimal for this one turns out to be 0.16. And just like with the previous problem, to change this to a percent, it's already on the calculator. Simply take that 0.16, that's already on the calculator, and times it by 100. Seriously, just times it by 100, and I'll give you 16%. All right. Next, the last one is savings, guys. Look at that. Look at how much money they spend on savings. They barely saved any money, but you know, it's just a problem, okay? As always, guys, look at saving at least 10% of your income for future, especially emergencies. Emergencies happen. So I'm going to go back to my pie chart, guys, and I'm going to highlight that as well on the pie chart so you can see exactly what it is. And there it is right there. That's telling you that they're spending $1,560 in savings out of the $26,000. So obviously, once again, guys, we're going to go to our calculator, and we are going to calculate this by taking $1,560 and dividing it, guys, by the $26,000 budgeted for the entire year. So now, let's see here, out of his income, he's spending what percent of that budget on savings? What is he saving? Okay. Actually, this is not a spend. This is a saving. He's trying to save this money. So what part of his overall budget for the year is he saving? Well, again, guys, you got the 0.06 on the calculator. Just go ahead and multiply it by 100. I'm going to turn this to black because the black looks better. Okay, so we're going to take the 0.06 and multiply that by 100. And there you go, guys. You get your 16%. Oh, Shazam, that's not 16%. That's only going to be 6%. Okay, let's fix that for me, please. Okay, and there we go, guys. 6%. So as you can see, guys, he's only saving 6% of his annual income. It should be about 10%. It's better to save than not to save. Hopefully you learned something from here. Until next time, see you soon.